Gauss divergence theorem statement and only the formula we are going to see here. Write the heading Gauss divergence theorem. Gauss divergence theorem. Gauss divergence theorem. Gauss divergence theorem. See the formula. Triple integral over the volume V divergence vector F dV is equal to double integral over the surface F vector F dot n cap into ds. N cap into ds. Yes. Now let us see the first problem in the Gauss divergence. If vector F is equal to 2x square minus 3z I minus 2xy j minus 4xk, evaluate triple integral over the volume V. Here divergence of vector F formula is del dot vector F. They may ask in this form also. At that time you have to remember the divergence of vector F we will write in the del dot vector F, where V is the region bounded by the planes x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, z is equal to 0 and 2x plus 2y plus z is equal to 4. This is the equation. Now, before starting the problem, first we have to solve for this del dot vector F. So here I will write del dot vector F is dou by dou x into I, dou by dou y j, dou by dou z k dot, write the vector F value 2x square minus 3z I minus 2xy j minus 4x k. Now using the dot product we have to find out the value for the del dot vector F. So here dou by dou x of I dot I is 1. So write 2x square minus 3z plus dou by dou y of, which sign we have to write, minus 2xy plus dou by dou z of minus 4x, because k dot k is 1 and also in the second term j dot j is 1. Now do the partially differentiation, first term with respect to x, second term with respect to y, third term with respect to z. So I just write here first term with respect to x means 2x square differentiation is 4x minus plus into minus minus. Here also dy means partially differentiation of 2xy with respect to y means 2x minus minus into plus Here also again minus into plus minus with respect to z means here we are not finding any z term, so write 0. 4x minus 2x is 2x. Now we have to find the limits. We have to find the limits. So here first write z varies from 0 to 2x plus 2y plus z varies from, here we can write 4 minus, just I will show here, z varies from. So here z plus 2x plus 2y is equal to 4. We have to see this equation. So here we are writing for z means shift this 2 term to the right side. So z is equal to 4 minus 2x minus 2y. So now write z varies from yes, z varies from 0 to, first term already they have given here 0 to, shift this 2 terms to the right side, so we get 4 minus 2x minus 2y. So z varies from 0 to 4 minus 2x minus 2y. Now when z is equal to 0, we get, when z is equal to 0 means 2x plus 2y plus 0 is equal to 4, or take out 2 as a common, x plus y is equal to 4. So 2 ones are 2 twos are. So x plus y is equal to 2. Now y varies from, already they have given one limit of y, that is 0 to, here shift this x to the right side, so we get 2 minus x. Y varies from 2 minus x. Now when z is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, we get here only we have to substitute x is equal to, z is equal to 0 and y varies from 0 to, we have to equate this given equation in terms of z. Now then again we have to substitute z is equal to 0 to get the limits of the y. So y is equal to, we got here 2 minus x. Now both y and z are 0. At that time we will get the value x is equal to 2. So here to 4 minus 2x minus 2y. Next y is equal to 0 to 2 minus x. X is equal to 0 to 2. So here del dot vector f, we got the value 2x. So here first we have to write with respect to z, second with respect to y, third with respect to x according to the changing the order of the integration. So now I will write the first term, x is equal to 2, then y is equal to 0 to 2 minus x I will write as it is. Again this 2 I will write outside, x I will write as it is, because first term with respect to z we are doing. So 1 with respect to z is z, limit varies from z is equal to 0 to 4 minus 2x minus 2y. So here I write dy into dx. Next, x is equal to 0 to 2, y is equal to 0 to 2 minus x. X I will write as it is. Now I will substitute the upper limit and the lower limit. Upper limit is 4 minus 2x minus 2y. Lower limit, anyhow it is 0. So dy into dx. Next, I will do the integration with respect to y. I will do the integration with respect to y. So I write this x as it is. So 4y minus 2xy minus, with respect to y means 2y square divided by 2. 2 will get cancelled. Limit varies from y is equal to 0 to 2 minus x into dx. Again 2 into limit x is equal to 0 to 2 x into 4 into 2 minus x, substitution of the upper limit, minus 2x into 2 minus x minus 2 minus x whole square, lower limit is 0 into dx. Now 2 into integral x is equal to 0 to 2. I'll write this x outside only. First, I will do the simplification for inside the bracket terms. 4 into 2, 8 minus 4x. Again, minus 2 2s are 4, 4x. Minus into minus plus 2x square. Minus of, this is in the form a minus b whole square. 4 plus x square minus 4x whole into dx. So here 2 into x is equal to 0 to 2. Again I write here one more line. 8 minus 4, 4. 4x minus 4x minus 4 is 8x minus 8x plus 4x. Again minus 4x. Next, 2x square minus x square is only x square into dx. Now, I will multiply this x inside the bracket terms. So, I will get 4x minus 4x square plus x cube into dx. Now, with respect to x, I will do the integration. 4x square divided by 2 minus 4x cube divided by 3 plus x power 4 divided by 4. X is equal to 0 to 2. So 2 into 4 into 4 divided by 2 minus 4 into 8 divided by 3 plus 16 divided by 4. 16 divided by 4. So here 2 ones are 2 twos are, 4 ones are 4 fours are. So what we get here, 2 into 2 plus 4, 6, sorry, 8 plus 4, because 4 twos are 8, 8 plus 4 is 12, minus 4 eights are 32 divided by 3. So here we get 12 threes are 36. 36 minus 32 is 4. So 2 into 4 by 3. That means we get the value 8 by 3. This is the answer.
Now it is visible, ma'am.
Now it is visible. Yes, it takes time to 3 to 4 minutes. For everyone, is it visible now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Just take down the problem from where it has been struck, I was not knowing. Just take down. If you have any doubt in any of the line, you can ask. Once you have taken down, just tell me. I just rub this one. We will start with the new problem. Yes, completed.
1 minute, ma'am.
Yes, take. If you have any doubt, you can ask in the middle. Is finished.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Shall I move to the next one? Take down the next third problem. Yes. Using the divergence theorem, using the divergence theorem, using the divergence theorem, evaluate in double integral over the surface f vector f dot n cap ds, where vector f is equal to 4x z I minus y square j plus yz k, and S is the surface of the cube bounded by x is equal to 0, x is equal to 1, y is equal to 0, y is equal to 1, z is equal to 0, z is equal to 1. This is the question. Now, first we have to write the formula. Trivial integral over the volume V, divergence vector f dv is equal to double integral over the surface f vector f dot n cap ds. Now we have to find LHS. So what we have to write? LHS is equal to triple integral over the volume V, divergence of vector f dv. Now divergence of vector f is equal to del dot vector f. Del dot vector f. Del means dou by dou x I, dou by dou y j, dou by dou z k. Dot vector f means 4x z I minus y square j plus yz k. Now we have to use the dot product. So dou by dou x 4xz, because I dot I is 1, minus into plus minus dou by dou y, or you can write minus y square, plus you write as it is, here with sign you write minus y square, plus dou by dou z of yz, that is equal to first one 4xz with respect to x, that is 4z, minus y square with respect to y, minus 2y, yz with respect to z plus y, that is equal to 4z minus y is the answer, because dou by dou z with respect to yz is y, and minus y square partially means we get minus 2y. So 2y plus y, minus 2y plus y is minus y. Now define the limit. Define the limit here. First limit here, x is equal to 0 to 1, y is equal to 0 to 1, z is equal to 0 to 1. Here 4z minus y into dz dy into dx. First, x is equal to 0 to 1, y is equal to 0 to 1. I write as it is. With respect to z, means 4z square divided by 2 minus y into z. So here limit varies from z is equal to 0 to 1. So again here I write dy dx as it is. Now x is equal to 0 to 1, y is equal to 0 to 1. Give the upper limit. Here 2 ones are 2 twos. The upper limit means 2 into 1 is 2. Minus y into, in the place of z, write 1. So y into 1 is y. Lower limit, it is 0 for both the term. So I write dy into dx. Now with respect to y. So 2 with respect to y is 2y minus y square divided by 2. Limit y is equal to 0 to 1. here write dx. So integral x is equal to 0 to 1, give the upper limit 2 minus 1 by 2. Lower limit 0. So write into dx. 2 to the 4. 4 minus 1, 3. So here we get 3 by 2 into dx. LCM is 2, so 4 minus 1, 3. Now integrate 1 with respect to x. So 3 by 2, 1 with respect to x integration is x. Limit varies from x is equal to 0 to 1. So we get 3 by 2, 1 minus 0, that is equal to 3 by 2. This is the solution. So any doubt in this problem? This is the assignment problem. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Yes, next hour I will continue, but I will take only 40 minutes class in the next hour as sir is not well. So I just continue the next hour class also only for 40 minutes according to the sir timetable. Yes, any doubt you have in this problem? Yes. Take down the next one. Similar problem what we have solved now. Same similar problem. Fourth one. So many problems got over. I think now fourth problem we have to solve. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Take down the fourth problem. It is similar to the third problem only. Write the year of the question, June 2018. Mention the year of the question, June 2018. If vector f is equal to 2xyi plus yz square j plus xzk and S is the rectangular parallelopiped bounded by x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, z is equal to 0, x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1, z is equal to 3. Find the flux across surface S. So here let us start the solution. Flux across S is equal to double integral over the surface S vector F dot n cap into ds. So by divergence theorem, what we have according to the divergence theorem? By divergence theorem, double integral over the surface S vector F dot n cap ds is equal to triple integral volume V divergence vector F dv. So here we have to find the divergence of vector F first, that is del dot vector F. What is our del? Dou by dou x I plus dou by dou y j dou by dou z k dot vector f 2x y I plus yz square j plus xz k. Now dou by dou x of I dot I is 1 remaining 2xy, dou by dou y of yz square, dou by dou z of xz. Now tell me the partial differentiation of all the three terms. Do the simplification of the next step, I will ask. Yes, do the partial differentiation. Yes. What is the first partial differentiation for the first term?
2y.
Yes, good. Next, plus. What is the next differentiation partially?
0, ma'am.
See properly, yz square is there, so we are
Z
doing with
square,
respect.
ma'am.
Yes, z square. Next,
X,
last
ma'am.
term.
X, ma'am.
Yes, very good. X. Now, after finding out this, let us see the next step. So double integral over the surface f vector f dot n cap into ds, that is triple integral. So first limit varies from x is equal to 0 to 2. Second, y is equal to 0 to 1. Third, z is equal to 0 to 3. Now, here 2y plus z square plus x into dz dy dx. Now, x is equal to 0 to 2, y is equal to 0 to 1. First difference integration with respect to z. So 2yz plus z cube divided by 3 plus xz. So here limit varies from z is equal to 0 to 3. Here I write dy into dx. Next, x is equal to 0 to 2. Y is equal to 0 to 1. Give the upper limit substitution in the place of z. So 3 2s are 6, 6y plus 27, 3 cube divided by 3 plus 3z, sorry 3x, lower limit 0, dy into dx, 3 1s are 3 9s are. Next, x is equal to 0 to 2. Do the integration with respect to y. So 6y square divided by 2 plus 9y plus 3xy. Limit varies from y is equal to 0 to 1. Here I will write dx. Give the upper limit. Here I write the integral x is equal to 0 to 2 as it is. 2 1s are 2 3s are. So 3y square means 1 upper limit. So 3 plus 9 plus 3x lower limit is 0. So again do the integration. So 3 plus 9 12. 12 with respect to x means 12x plus 3 into integration of x is x square by 2. So x is equal to 0 to 2. So 12 2s are 24 plus 3 into 2 square means 4. 4 by 2. 2 2s are 4. So 24 plus 6. So we got 30. 30 is the answer. In this one, we will use the formula that we already know. We already know the formula. We have saw this formula in the changing the order of the integration applications. So right here, fifth one, evaluate integral over the surface S AXI plus BYJ plus CZK dot n cap into ds, where S is the surface of the sphere. S is the surface of the sphere. X square plus y square plus z square is equal to 1. Is equal to 1. Here clearly we come to know that here this term is indicates the vector f. So write let vector f is equal to AXI plus BYJ plus CZK. We have write the divergence Gauss divergence formula here. Gauss divergence formula, divergence vector f dv. Now here we have to find divergence of vector f, that is del dot vector f is equal to dou by dou x into I, dou by dou x into I plus dou by dou y j dou by dou z k dot AXI plus BYJ plus CZK. So here dou by dou x of AX, because I dot I is 1, plus dou by dou y of BY, because J dot J is 1, dou by dou Z of CZ, because K dot K is 1. Now tell me the partial differentiation of all the three terms.
A plus B plus C, ma'am.
Yes. Good. It is A plus B plus C. Partial differentiation is A plus B plus C. A plus B plus C. Same thing we have to substitute in the Gauss divergence formula. Integral over the surface S vector f dot n cap into ds, n cap into ds is equal to triple integral over the volume V. In the place of divergence of the vector f, we have to write a plus b plus c. A plus b plus c into dv. So here we have to use the formula of the area of the volume. So here double integral over the surface S vector f dot n cap into ds is equal to a plus b plus c into volume V, where V is the volume of the sphere. V is the volume of the sphere. Volume of the sphere with unit radius, because here radius they have given 1. So with unit radius, and V is equal to 1 by 4 pi r cube for a sphere of radius. For a sphere of radius r. Hence we have r is equal to 1, because they have given the value unit of radius r is equal to 1. Therefore, V is equal to 1 by 4 by 3 into pi. Thus, double integral over surface f vector f dot n cap ds is equal to 4 pi by 3 into a plus b plus c. A plus b plus c. Double integral over the surface S vector f n cap ds, given vector f is equal to xi yj plus zk over the plane or yes, wait a minute, over this sphere x square plus y square plus z square is equal to a square. Yes, here first we have the Gauss divergence formula, that is double integral vector f dot n cap ds is equal to triple integral over the volume V divergence vector f dv. This is the term. Here we have to find the first thing is divergence of vector f. Divergence of vector f is del dot vector f. So del means dou by dou xi, dou by dou yj, dou by dou zk dot xi plus yj plus zk. Again I dot I is 1. So dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z, k. Do the partial differentiation and tell me the answer for this one. Do the partial differentiation x to x. Yes, very good. X with respect to x is 1. Y with respect to Y is 1, Z with respect to Z is 1. Here, I will make it as a Z. So overall, we got the value 3. Now, same thing we have to apply in the Gauss divergence formula. Yes, here I will write volume V. Here in the place of divergence vector F, I write 3 into dV. That means 3 into V. So here where V is the volume of the sphere of here radius they have given A of the sphere of radius A represented by, you can write the equation of the sphere represented by x square plus y square plus z square is equal to A square is given by volume formula is 4 by 3 pi r cube. So here in the place of r we have A. So 4 by 3 pi A cube. Thus double integral over the surface S vector F dot n cap into ds is equal to 3 into, in the place of V I will write 4 by 3 pi A cube. So here we get the answer at the last 4 pi A cube. 4 pi A cube. So any doubt? Last two problems we complete the module 1. From tomorrow onwards we will start with the module 2. Now it's your work